Day one, starting on the yellow house on Washington Street. You can see the gutters are coming off now. We're in Eastport, Maine. This is, well, I would say probably later 1800s. Looks pretty solid underneath. We're gonna be making this modern, while trying to leave some of the detailed woodwork, trim work, replacing the fascia boards. We're gonna leave it a yellow. It will be getting a new roof and new vinyl siding. They're not really into the whole preservation, historic thing, so, which is fine. Some people aren't. They do like it to an extent, but they just want it modern. They've had the whole inside redone and covered up some windows. Those used to be windows. Those are smaller windows now. But this is the task we have going on. Let's get a quick look in the video, and then we're gonna see what the end result is. We'll bring you along with us. I know I haven't been posting much at the Hobbs, so I wanted to do a good video for you here. Here's the house. Here's Eastport. You can just see the water. Church right there. Very friendly area. People walking their dogs. It's just beautiful through here. So we're gonna be redoing this house. We're at Sunny Builders. That is our company. Got to get some new signs, but we get our number right there. 263-5947. 207 area code. If anybody's looking to have their roof done or their house sided, or any work for that matter, let us know. We're going to be putting 2 new decks on this place, vinyl siding, and new architectural shingles. We're going to be getting rid of the 3 tabs, not going with IKO. It will get all new galvanized drip edge around the whole thing. All the trim will get trimmed up so we can leave it, and the place will basically just be stripped, wrapped, sided, flashed, and that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to try to put a new vent up there, something that will go with the vinyl. Said we're waiting for our other guy to show up. We just were down at the Hobbs yesterday and finished up doing the sheetrock. So that's all done. Just have to do another sanding and one more thin coat. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I will update tomorrow.